jail. He went away.
Hello?
I told you. Yeah. Damien Jones, it's been a long time. Jones, okay. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Okay, thank you. Why did you tap up everything?
Because I can't hear. Fuck, bro. What?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Everybody else like that window here.
Good morning, Wayne County Jail checking in.
Let's see. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Good morning.
Things out on YouTube.
So the only exams that are going, Judge, are the ones that are in custody?
Yep.
That's-
They didn't put me on YouTube.
Okay, I'm ready to start checking in.
Madam Clerk, this is Attorney Dupree. I just wanted to confirm, did you just say that in-person exams aren't for out-of-custody defendants are not being held today?
That's correct.
Oh, okay. Well, that changes my document. Thank you for the heads up. I've got
You gotta stay on
Jonathan.
to get your date.
What's that?
You have to stay on to get another date.
Oh, absolutely. I just didn't even, I left it walked over. I have Randall Perry, which is an exam.
I know, I hear echo too.
Well, he has to be on.
Is your client on?
Not that I see. I was unable to reach him yesterday.
Okay, your client needs to be on. It's set for exam, right?
It is.
Yeah, we need your client on.
I will work on that. I've also got Jonathan Lee with the PCC.
Yes, just give me
Madam Clerk,
Hold on.
a number.
Okay, Jonathan Lee. Okay, who's next?
Madam Clerk, this is Hugh Marshall, and I have Mr. Oscar Smith for PCC. He is present via Zoom.
I'm retained in that case. David Krebs.
Oh, I've been retained out?
Yes. I actually did the arraignments. I don't know how this happened.
Okay, David, well, it's all yours.
Thank you.
Do you need to sign my name to a substitution, or
Um,
you can do whatever you need to do?
I start.
Okay, David, I'm
All
out
right.
of here. Thanks.
Good morning, Madam Clerk.
I'm Kitty. I might as well continue checking in now that we started that. So I have Oscar Smith from PCC. He's on bond.
Right.
And
that's
also
Oscar.
Oscar Smith. I'm also checking in on 3 preliminary examinations, all of whom are on bond also. That'd be Desmond Kelly set for 11 o'clock. Dantes Henry set for 11:30. And Carrie O. Lloyd set for 9 o'clock. All on bond, all exams.
That was Carrie O. Lloyd?
Yes.
Okay. There's still an echo. Can you guys hear that echo?
Yeah.
Okay, who's next?
Madam Clerk, can I check in on a K1 Cooper? Good morning.
All right, I got you. Who's next?
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, Patrick, I'm checking in on Dana Nielsen. It's scheduled for a PCC. He's present.
What was the last name?
Nielsen,
Dana?
Dana Nielsen.
Okay. All right, who's next?
Madam Clerk, in Riggins, I have 3 cases. Ryan Dykes, Jalen Adams, and Samaj Hall.
Okay, I got Jalen Adams. Who was in the other one?
Ryan Dykes and Samaj Hall. They're all PCCs.
Okay, Samaj Hall.
439.
82.
439.
All right, I'm missing the other one. What was the third one?
Samaj Hall,
I have Samaj Hall. Who was the other one?
Ryan Dykes.
Oh, Dykes.
All right, thank you.
I don't have that file.
Please don't call it back.
But
Ryan Dykes was arraigned on 12/21. I don't, originally he was in jail for 8 months. But I think they
Okay.
just Expedite.
Okay, Council. All right. Who's next? Check it.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. Quentin Docs, Eddie Bill, and he's also on the call.
You're on who, Mr. Dox?
Eddie Bill, he's on Zoom too.
Okay. All right, who's next?
Good morning.
Eddie? Good morning.
Good morning, Lyle here. So I'm here on Titan Jail. Got 2 cases up for competency.
Oh, nice.
And we do have the report. Yep. He's locked up, and you should have the report too, I would think. So,
Yeah, I think there's a report in here. Yep.
yeah, okay. I'm ready to go on.
I see Wayne County.
Good morning, Wayne County.
Good morning, Wayne County. Who do you have?
I have Tamika Burgess.
Okay, thank you. Who's her attorney? Oh, nobody's checking out. Okay, we're waiting on her attorney, Wayne County. Any other attorney need to check in?
Good morning. This is Wright Blake. Checking in to see if you have a Brittany Stalling.
What's the last name?
Stalling, S-T-A-L-L-I-N-G.
No, I don't have her on the docket.
Okay, thank you.
This is Attorney Stephanie Martin. I'm checking in on Ezeal Patterson.
What's the last name?
Patterson.
I don't have a Patterson on the docket for Giles today.
It's supposed to be up for a competency review.
I don't have it on the docket today. Do you have a case number?
19 058 730.
Taking too long.
That's Judge King.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Any other attorney need to check in?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. This is Prosecutor Rhonda Hagar. I'm the prosecutor on Angelo Brown.
Who are you here on, Counselor?
Antrell Brown.
Oh, he has 2. Okay, defense attorney hasn't checked in yet.
Thank you.
Can I have your P number?
My P number is 84161.
Okay. All right. Any other attorney need to check in?
My God, bro.
Excuse me, miss.
No, we're only doing in person. You have to log on or Zoom as well as your client. Yes, all right. All right. So I'm ready. Does someone need anything?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Dorian Haslam. I received a reckless driving ticket November 19th, but the court's been closed and I'm a semi truck driver. Y'all just opened. I've been calling all morning. how do I set up a court date to see the judge or to talk about this traffic ticket without allowing my license to get suspended? Because it's been almost, what, 2 months?
Well, not, are you?
License suspended?
You
gotta
say,
come down here. No.
They not, I don't know if they.
You don't know if it's been suspended?
No, I received my citation November 18th, but the court's been, November 19th, but the court's been closed. And I don't, I'm a semi truck driver, so I don't want to just pop up with a suspension without seeing the judge.
You gotta go find out the judge.
Do you know who your judge is?
No, I haven't received anything in the mail. I haven't received nothing. I've been calling and calling. This morning, ain't nobody answered. They keep hanging up. So that's what made me chime into Judge Giles' courtroom.
Well, it's not assigned to Judge Giles' courtroom, so you're not in the right courtroom.
Do you have a number or someone I can call? Because I'm just trying to avoid getting a suspension before I see the judge. Because I was involved in a car accident. And they gave me reckless driving for a car accident with no other ticket.
First of all, he's on Zoom and he's driving.
Yeah.
I'm not. I pulled over.
You got a ticket number?
Ticket number P113-7509.
You said P113-7509?
09, yes, ma'am.
It's not coming up. What's your last name?
Haslam.
First name. What's your first name?
DORIAN. It was written by K. Wright.
Do you have a middle name?
JAMAR.
Jamar?
Yes.
My bad. What?
All right, I don't see anything. Hold on.
Here go little David.
You're not in the hearing, put your systems on mute, please.
Yeah, on the tablet. So.
I don't see.
Mr. Smith, put your system on mute.
Okay, so I don't see that ticket number in the system. It may not have made it in the system yet, sir.
Oh, you think I should just call back? Because I'm not trying to be rude or nothing. I'm like, what you think I need to do? Because like been almost 2 months. I just don't want to catch a restriction. A suspension because I'm a truck driver.
I understand. You can keep trying to call them numbers. I don't know what numbers you're calling.
The regular 36 district number.
965-2200 or 965-8700.
8700.
Okay, try 2200.
Okay, thank you. 965-2200. Okay, thank you, man.
All right, you're welcome.
Okay, 965-2200.
All right, we ready? Ready on Jonathan Lee.
Ready, Madam Clerk?
Calling case number 2062123, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jonathan Lee. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Shanetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people, P82102.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Matthew Dupree, P80132, on behalf of the defendant, who I don't believe is present this morning. I would ask the court to leave his presence.
The court waives appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What's your pleasure?
I don't have it, no charge.
Your Honor, I have received paper discovery. I just note that for the record. At this time, I have not had contact with the defendant, so I would either ask for an adjournment or for exam date that's out, so I can have some time to check my.
How many witnesses?
Yeah.
2.
You're welcome. Okay.
July 30th at 10 o'clock.
Shell, last name Shell. Shell.
Judge, I didn't hear the date. What was the date for that?
July 30th at 10 o'clock.
July 30th at 10. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
Counsel, did you say that you have discovery or not?
I have received paper. I don't have video.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Ready on Oscar Smith.
Defense is ready.
Calling case number 2062660, the people of the state of Michigan versus Oscar Smith. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 3, count 4, weapons, felony, firearms. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. For the record, David Church, P34972, appearing on behalf of Oscar D'Angelo Smith. No objection to proceeding by Zoom. I probable cause conference.
All right. Is your client on or?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mr. Smith, state your name, please.
Oscar D'Angelo Smith.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Krebs, just send this matter for a preliminary exam.
Yes, Your Honor. In court preliminary examination, please.
All right. Ms. Franklin, how many witnesses?
2.
All right, July 30th at 10:30.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, before we go off the record, I have a request to make on behalf of Oscar Smith. At the time of his arrest, 3 cell phones were taken by the police. We're asking for a court order for return of those phones to him.
I didn't understand what opposing counsel was asking for.
He said something about 3 cell phones were taken from Mr. Smith at the time of his arrest. And he's asking for a return of those. Mr. Cripps, you're gonna have to file a motion That way the prosecutor has the opportunity to properly respond. I don't know why they're holding those phones.
I don't need to because the officer in charge will return my phone calls.
Oh. All right, the following motion will set it for a hearing. And they'll have to come in and say why they're holding it.
Yes, Judge.
No, I'll just give you an order.
Mr.
Thank
Cripps, I don't have the file for this, and I'm curious to know if you received discovery. Was discovery sent to you?
No, it has not. It's gonna be discovered.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ready on Desmond Kelly?
Defense is ready.
Calling case number 2058613, the people of the state of Michigan versus Desmond Kelly. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for examination. Is your client?
Shanetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Honor. David Cripps, C34972, appearing on behalf of Desmond Elliott Kelly. This case is set for 11 o'clock for an exam. I'm prepared to waive my client's appearance if he's not on right now.
Okay, when's the last time you talked to him?
Talked to him over the weekend.
All right, I'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Thank you, Honor.
All right, we'll reschedule this matter for 11 o'clock on July 30th.
It's fine for the defense. Ms. Franklin, I still need discovery on this case, please.
Okay. Thank you. I'll send you discovery.
All right, well, continue.
Thank you, Honor.
Ready on Deontay Henry?
Defense is ready.
Calling case number 2056744, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deontay Henry. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Shanetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Honor. David Cripps, C34972, appearing on behalf of Dantes Henry.
All right, Mr. Henry on zone.
I don't see him on there, Judge.
When's the last time you talked to him?
I talked to him yesterday. There was a plea offer made a misdemeanor on this case, which eventually he plans on taking. I told him to zoom in at 8 o'clock. I don't see him on there, Judge.
Okay. You want to try to get him, or you want me to reschedule?
I'd like to reschedule because I know he has Zoom problems. Next time I'll have him come in my office.
All right, July 30th at 11:30.
Thank you, Honor.
If you want to take the offer, just let us know and we'll move it up.
I will, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.
Was that it, Mr. Cripps, or you had another one?
Carrie O. Lloyd.
Oh, here it is. Calling case number 2057789, the people of the state of Michigan versus Carrie O. Lloyd. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons carried concealed. Count 4, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 5, weapons, felony, firearm. habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Judge David Cripps, 972, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lloyd, standing in for the attorney record, Bobby Silver. This case was set for an exam today. We're asking for an adjournment for a preliminary examination. The defendant's on bond. Ms. Silver has been in contact with Mr. Lloyd over the weekend.
All right. I'll waive his appearance for purposes of this hearing.
Yes.
Such as for 12 o'clock on July 30th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Ready on Cooper?
Ready.
Okay. Calling case number 2062111. The people of the state of Michigan versus Keon Cooper. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, delivering, manufacturing marijuana synthetic equivalents. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning,
sorry.
Jamil Kuja appearing on behalf of Mr. Cooper. Judge, I do see him on the Zoom call. I was appointed to represent him, but the phone number I had did not work. Could I ask him to provide me with a phone number?
1 second. Mr. Cooper, state your name for the record.
Keon Cooper.
All right, can you get your phone number to your attorney?
313-777-2116.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Kuja, demanding preliminary exam.
Yes, Judge, I'm waiting on discovery, so it's either adjourn the PCC or set for exam.
All right. Any witnesses?
1.
August 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Ready on Nielsen?
Ready, Your Honor.
Calling case number 2062131. The people of the state of Michigan versus Dana Nelson. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin.
On behalf of the PDP 45797 on behalf of Mr. Dana Nielsen, he's present. Judge, this is going to be a waiver.
Appearance, Ms. Franklin.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Have the prosecutor put her appearance on. Ms. Franklin.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Thank you. Any objection to the waiver?
No objection, Judge.
All right, Mr. Nelson, state your name for the record.
Dana Nielsen.
All right, Mr. Nielsen, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, Your Honor.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having an opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. McQueen, do you have any objection to court signing your name to the waiver form?
No objection, Judge.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court. Arraignment on the information, which will be January 19th, 2021 at 9:00 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too.
Judge, this is Jim Feinberg on behalf of Yusef Balawi.
Balawi, that's exam.
Oh, all right. Is your client on?
My client is in Island Federal Detention Center.
Oh.
Leon Adams.
Ready.
Calling case number 20-62129, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jalen Adams. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Nada Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Reagan, P82125 on behalf of Mr. Jalen Adams. Mr. Adams is out of custody. I actually was present for this proceeding.
All right. Court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Demanding a preliminary exam.
At this point, I have to, Your Honor. I have not received any discovery on this matter.
All right. How many witnesses?
1.
All right, August 2nd at 9:30.
Very good, Your Honor.
Ready on Hall?
Ready.
Calling case number 20-62128, the people of the state of Michigan versus Samaje Hall. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Nada Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Reagan, P82125 on behalf of Mr. Samaje Hall.
All right, Mr. Hall, you want to state your name for the record, please?
Samaje Hall.
All right, Mr. Hall, so you know I don't do T-shirts in my courtroom, even on Zoom. Shirt with a collar. Well, I'm just letting you know, because if you don't dress for my court, I dress you. I got one way to do that. I send you Wayne County Jail. Do we understand each other?
Yeah.
Is that yes?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, counsel, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, I do not have any discovery in this matter, so I cannot advise my client one way or the other on this.
All right, we'll set it for preliminary exam.
I'll send you discovery, counsel.
Thank you.
And how many witnesses?
1.
All right, August 2nd at 10 o'clock.
And Your Honor, can Mr. Hall give me his phone number or just verify his last 4 digits? I have a number I've been trying to reach him at.
You want me to put you in a breakout room? Mr. Hall, can you give me his number? Your number?
Yeah. 614-929-4615.
All right, I will give you a call, sir.
Mr. Riggins, before you disconnect, you're the assigned counsel for Jalen Adams.
Yes, I am.
Do you have discovery for that matter?
I do not have discovery for that as well.
Okay. Thanks. I'll send you discovery.
Thank you.
All right, I'll continue. Thank you.
Ready on Dykes?
Ready, Your Honor.
Calling case number 20-62595, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ryan Dykes. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Reagan, P82125, on behalf of Mr. Dykes. I have spoken to Mr. Dykes over the weekend. I know he will not be present on this Zoom call. Actually, we waived his presence for this proceeding.
All right, court waives appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What is your pleasure?
Your Honor, at this point, I do not have discovery on this matter. So I cannot advise my client one way or the other how to proceed with this matter.
All right, we'll set this matter for preliminary exam. How many witnesses?
1 judge.
All right, August 2nd, 2021 at 10:15.
Very good, Your Honor.
All right, and bonds continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good.
What's your plan? That's
Your Honor, this is Wanda Kell. Can I go into a breakout room with my client, Robert Williams, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, you need to call the prosecutor.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Williams. When they send you an invitation to the breakout room, join it, please.
I'm sorry, what happened?
I'll just put one account.
Oh. We ready on Bill?
Ready.
Calling case number 20-62045, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eddie Bill. Defendant is charged with count 1, false report of a felony. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor.
On behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Quentin Docs, P number 79657. That's my client, Mr. Eddie Bill, who's also appeared via Zoom.
Mr. Bill, state your name for the record.
My name is Eddie Lee.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking for an in-person exam.
All right. How many witnesses?
2.
August 2nd at 10:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Madam Prosecutor, my email is on your chat.
Okay, I'll send you discovery.
Appreciate you.
All right, Bob, continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The jail. Mr. Harris, is your client in jail?
Take yourself off mute, please, Mr. Harris.
Yes, as far as I know, he is in the jail. This is the cop.
Just a competency, Judge, he needs to be in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me contact the jail, Mr. Nightingale.
The other person, who, did we get an attorney on the email?
I was going to ask if we could hear if that's possible.
We have an attorney on,
No, that's,
Burgess.
Burgess. No.
Jen Carlson.
I have Burgess. I'm here.
Oh, she
Okay.
was just,
All right, let's do that so we can get her out of jail.
okay.
And Your Honor, I am here on John Kennard.
Say that again?
Just letting you know that I'm here on Deshaun Kennard.
I have no idea.
Who is that?
It's Attorney Kiana Franny.
Okay.
Can I get in the breakout room with Ms. Burgess?
Mr. Burgess on?
Yeah, that's Mr.
Oh,
the one in.
the one on,
Yeah.
you need to talk to her first?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
All right.
Madam Clerk, are you going to call Mr. Balawi?
Am I calling who, Counselor?
Yusef Balawi.
Malawi? Oh, he got two cases. Yeah, I can call. This was the exam, right? Calling case number 2057457, the people of the state of Michigan versus Yusuf Balawi. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code, habitual offender, second notice. Also calling case number 1960950, the people of the state of Michigan versus Yusuf Balawi. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code, habitual offender, second notice. These matters are scheduled for examination.
Nada Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
James L. Feinberg, attorney for Mr. Balawi on both cases.
Mr. Malawi on Zoom?
Mr. Balawi is in the Milan Federal Detention Center on a federal case.
All right.
Are we able to get a Zoom from Milan?
Yes. We've had them from my own there. All right, so how much time do you need to get a writ or to set up a Zoom hearing?
Judge, you're asking me how much time I need to get a writ for a Zoom exam?
Right.
So it's my understanding that for Zoom exams that I don't need to request a writ, that's for the clerk to do. I only request the writs when we physically need them to be in the courtroom. That's the directive I was given. I don't know if anything changed.
All right. Counsel, you willing to do this by Zoom? Is your client willing to do this by Zoom? Let's put it that way.
Yes, we can do it by Zoom.
All these people in court. I'm looking at all these people in court.
Mr. Williams, you need to mute yourself.
I'm sorry.
All right. We're gonna set this for January 12th at 10:30 and 10:45. No, hold on.
Judge, is it possible we could do it on the 14th?
We need a brand new nightgown. Oh, okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
All right, January 14th.
At what time, Judge?
Starting at 10:30, and the next one's at 10:45.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
And this is a Zoom exam, Judge, just so that I'm clear?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
We're gonna have, Kitty,
Huh?
that one, you got a conflict with Korea, I guess. Let's see if you set up the Zoom mail.
Yes.
And the federal system. Island.
So he's in Milan?
Yeah.
All right, I'll let Ms. Gray know, so she can do the writ. All right. Is Wanda ready?
Yes.
She's back, yeah.
Ready, I'm Robert Williams, calling case number 2055677, the people of the state of Michigan versus Robert Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, false report of a felony, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff, and Happy New Year to you all. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wanda Cal, P34369 on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams is on the video. Say your name, Mr. Williams.
My name is Robert Williams.
Your Honor, I have no discovery, therefore I have to set this matter for an in-person exam.
All right, how many witnesses?
2, Your Honor.
August 2nd at 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Will you be able to send me my discovery?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You need
You're welcome.
my information?
I think I have it. If you want to put it in the chat box, I'll go ahead and take a look.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Wayne County, is that Nightingale?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you. Mr. Harris, are you still on?
Mr. Harris? Attorney Harris?
I can hear you, yes.
That's Mr. Nightingale. Mr. Harris? All right, okay.
Ready on Kennard?
Ready.
Calling case number 2062121, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Kennard. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. Attorney Kiana Franulich, T73015, appearing on behalf of Deshaun Kennard. He is also present on Zoom.
Mr. Kennard, please state your name for the record.
Deshaun Kennard.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we're asked for an in-person exam time. I do have paper discovery, but I do not have any electronic discovery.
Send this man up for preliminary exam. You're setting the matter for preliminary exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
How many witnesses?
1.
August 2nd at 11:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Franklin, I'm going to put my contact in the chat.
Calling case number 2062660, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tamika Burgess. Defendant is charged with count 1, tampering with evidence, criminal case punishable by 10 years. Count 2, arson, 3rd-degree arson. Count 3, accessory after the fact to a felony. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shakira Hawkins, P59106, on behalf of Mr. Burgess, who is appearing this morning via Zoom. Ms. Burgess, state your name for the record, please.
Tamika Burgess.
Your Honor, my client wishes to demand her exam.
All right, how many witnesses?
Judge, I don't have the file. I'm going to say two.
I need paper and digital discovery if there's any available.
All right. August 2nd at 11:45.
Thank you. Ms. Franklin, you'll send me that discovery?
I can't hear you, but I'm thinking that you're asking for discovery. I was thinking discovery.
Yes. Thank you.
Is your client going to be able to make bond?
She's already posted it, Your Honor. She's just waiting for her GPS tether.
All right. Okay, we'll keep that date.
Thank you.
Your Honor, just for clarity, that was August 2nd?
Yes, August 2nd at 11:45.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Harris.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Ready to call your case.
Are we bringing him from the jail?
He's there. He's on Zoom now.
I'd like a breakout room, please.
Okay. Right. Got anything else ready?
No, oh, I see Adam.
Yeah.
I see Adam. Ready on Tooks?
Yes, I'm ready.
Calling case number 2062103, the people of the state of Michigan versus Gerald Tooks. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic, 25 to 49 grams. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin.
May it please the court, Judge. My name is Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Tooks, who is present by way of Zoom video monitoring. Mr. Tooks, would you state your name for the record, please?
Well, my name is Gerard Tooks.
Mr. Tooks, do we have permission to proceed via Zoom? Do we have your permission to proceed via Zoom for this matter?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, we're demanding an exam in this case. I don't have any discovery as of yet.
Right. How many witnesses?
One.
August 3rd, 9 o'clock?
The court say August, Judge?
Yes.
Okay. I want to file a motion with the court that has video attachments. Would sometime around July be permissible then to probably file it, Judge?
You said to do what?
I'm gonna file a motion to suppress. I want the court to be able to see the videos prior to the exam or not. It's up to the court. I was just trying to see what would be the best way to do it would be.
You need to file it right away because if, I don't know what's gonna happen when we actually reopen everything. We may get another judge, so some of this may end up being moved up. I don't know. So, you don't want to delay or wait. I would go ahead.
Oh yeah, I'll file it. I'll file it this week. I was just trying to do whatever the court preferred. I can file it whenever.
Yeah, just go ahead and file it right away. We'll hear it. We'll, make a decision. We'll take it from there.
Very good.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
No, that's in person. It's set for in person.
And then Ms. Franklin, if you could just email me discovery to convenience, please.
Okay, we'll do. And did I hear you say that you were going to file a motion to suppress the video?
Yes.
Okay.
I will supply you what I have as well.
Okay. Have you received any discussion at all on this matter?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send you discovery, counsel.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
I'm sorry, what time was that, August 2nd?
9 o'clock.
Oh,
August 3rd. August 3rd. Yeah, August 3rd, 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Harris, not bad. That's all.
Nope.
Mr. Cohen.
Brown, Hardaway. And Jones Richards.
That's Mr. Tuttle's, right?
Yep.
Is this person in or out? When is he in? He shouldn't be in. This is CCW.
Yeah, this is CCW.
Oh, no. That's the person. Mr. Tuttle's. And who's on Brown? So Judge.
Michael Crosby.
And Charles Brown. Looks like two different attorneys. Oh, it's only one. Okay, and Charles Brown judge. Hold on. I'm confused over here. That case is set for a probable cause conference. However, he has another case in front of you that's scheduled for exam on January 11th.
Hey, Your Honor. This is Israel from IT.
Oh, that's Israel.
Oh.
Is he on Zoom?
Yes, I am. I have a phone number.
Oh, all right. Hi, Israel. Yeah, we got a echo that I can't seem to get rid of. Hello?
Yeah, no, I can hear it.
Okay.
I'm just trying to find out where it's coming from. Is that why you switched to your laptop? Or no, you're on your computer.
Yeah, I'm on a computer in the courtroom.
That's why. All right, hang on. I want to log into your laptop. Can you hit yes for me? Your YouTube's still open. All right. Yeah. Is it going now?
It's what?
Your stream was still open on YouTube.
I thought we were supposed to be streaming.
No, you are, but you're not supposed to have the stream open still. Once you start it, you're supposed to close out that window.
Oh. Okay. Oh, this is.
But do you still hear it, or is it me?
I beg your pardon?
Do you still hear the echo?
Yes.
Hang on. I might have to reboot your Polycom. Let me just double check something.
Okay.
What courtroom is this again? This is
439.
Okay.
Judge Lyle Harris said he was right.
I don't even have him on Zoom.
He's not even on?
No, not here.
Oh, like.
Why is they yellow? Let's see. Doesn't show up in the breakout.
Okay, I restarted the Polycom, right? Your Polycom's off? Yeah. Hey, can you hear me now? Oh, you're, that's right, because your thing's shut off too. Okay. All right, can you hear me right now, Your Honor? Trying to see, can you guys, is the Polycom back up yet? Is it still rebooting? Like, what's on the screen, I guess, what I'm trying to find out. No, I'm with the Polycom. It's just black, okay. Yeah, it's the reboot, it takes some time to reboot. I wanted to reboot it and get it back up. So we are at this time waiting for it to reboot back up. And I've seen the Polycom create the echo. So I'm wondering if that's the case. So it's back up now. Hang on. Yeah, can you guys log back in on it? Like, what's on the front? There's no picture on the screen. No wording, nothing. What's going on there?
Okay, we can hear it, but no, it's still black picture, black screen.
What input are you on? You know?
The judge said, can he close out his document Word, because he don't have anything on it?
Yeah, please.
He said, yeah. And you said what, as far as this, because there's nothing on here.
Okay.
What, you know what input you're on?
I have it on now. It's on mine.
Hang on a second.
Oh, the judge has it on his.
Has what?
I got.
Yeah, I know. Hang on. I try to test this again. Is that better? I don't hear any echo.
Yes, it's better.
Yeah,
okay, let me come on down. Let me check your. I gotta check your TV set and see why you're not seeing it on the TV. I'll be right there.
Okay.
Bye bye.
No, I'm seeing you.
Huh?
I'm seeing you're on here.
Oh.
Not on there.
Yeah, it must have something to do with the TV's setting on this or something.
Now I can understand that.
Yeah, I can hear it, but. Oh, there we go.
All right.
Ready on Randall Nightingale?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready.
Calling case number 2059239, the people of the state of Michigan versus Randall Nightingale. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Also calling case number 2059241, the people of the state of Michigan versus Randall Nightingale. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. These matters are scheduled for competency hearings.
Ms. Franklin, can you put your appearance again, please?
Yes, Shanetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
Judge Lau Harris, on behalf of Mr. Nightingale on both cases, and we consent to Zoom for this competency hearing.
All right, are the parties in possession of documents on the state of Michigan, Department of Health and Human Services, Center for Forensic Psychiatry, dated December 21st, 2020, and authored by Ann Saborni, PhD, licensed psychologist, consulting forensic examiner.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Judge, I discussed the matter with my client. I explained to him that the forensic center found him competent and that I am prepared to stipulate to that report, finding that he's competent in both cases.
All right, and the court will find that the defendant, Ms. Franklin, you also stipulating the report?
Yes, Judge, the people.
Thank you. All right, court will find that the defendant is in fact competent to stand trial and competent to waive Miranda rights. And we'll set this matter for preliminary exam.
Yes, Judge, I was just going to indicate that after speaking with my client, he wishes both these matters to be set for exam. We are willing to go with a Zoom exam to expedite matters since he's in jail.
We can do a Zoom, we can do an in-person exam.
Okay, well, we have no problem with doing the Zoom exam.
What?
I said, I discussed that with my client. He has no objection to doing a Zoom exam on both of these.
Ms. Franklin, what do you want to do?
I'm looking, Judge.
She said she's looking.
The people will not object to the exam, Judge.
On January 20th at 10:30.
Okay. That's be for both of them, I assume, Judge, right?
Yep, one after the other.
Okay. Got it down. All right, I'll see you later, Mr. Nightingale.
It was competent right there.
Yeah. Mr. Nightingale, you can tell the deputy that you're finished.
All right.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Right, so I'm listing 3 attorneys.
No, I'm standing in for APA Rhonda Hadar on Antel Brown.
Yeah, I need the defense attorney.
Who?
And Trail Brown. That's the prosecutor.
Smith. Mr. Smith? You're in my courtroom. Do you understand?
I'm trying to exit now.
No, all right. Don't smoke in my courtroom.
Okay, my apologies.
And for the next hearing, I don't do t-shirts.
I was in a little sweater.
You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it now. I'm just telling you for the next hearing, don't wear a t-shirt.
Okay.
Shirt with a collar, okay?
All right, I got you.
All right, thank you. Oh, we got this, evil.
I'm done. Do I want out there?
Evil.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't hear. There was a really loud sound in the background.
Okay. Who do you have?
Antro Brown.
Okay. All right. Getting ready to do it now.
Thank you.
Calling case number 2062551, the people of the state of Michigan versus Antrell Brown. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 11, count 12, robbery armed, count 13, count 14, assault with intent to murder, count 15, weapons, firearms, discharge in or at a building, count 16, count 17, count 18, count 19, count 20, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Pasek on behalf of the people standing in for attorney of record Rhonda Hadar, and my P number is P83687.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rebecca TFO P62311 on behalf of Mr. Antro Brown.
All right. Is your client in or out? Do you know?
Your Honor, I believe he is in custody, but I've not had an opportunity to actually speak with him.
Okay, they just brought somebody in. Hold on 1 second. Wayne County, who do you have?
See your name.
Antrell Brown.
All right, you can speak to him before we do the hearing.
I can understand that.
Hold on, Brown. Let's go. You need to speak to him before we do the hearing.
Okay. Yeah, I can see.
Okay. All right, Ms. Tebow. Can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you need to speak to your client before we do the hearing?
Before the probable cause conference today?
Yeah. I'm asking if you. Oh.
Yes, if I could, please.
All right.
Tap it again.
CR439, Judge. No, we're not there in person unless they're in jail. Defendant in jail. Okay, then you get another date. You need to contact the prosecutor.
All right.
APA Rhonda Hadar was able to log on, so I'm going to log off.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. This is the Cody. Do we have the other ones already scheduled?
Nope. Oh, it is, Judge. It's, oh, that one's scheduled for tomorrow.
Yeah.
PCC.
Oh.
Judge, were you talking about the co-defendant on Antrell Brown?
Yes.
Yeah, so I actually was going to ask about that. I saw the co-defendant got moved to Judge Archer's courtroom. I don't know why, but
Okay.
I don't know. Is there a way to get them both in your courtroom?
So, if I can remember, Antrell Brown has another case.
Yes.
With Judge Giles, and that's the one scheduled for January 11th. So we have the older case.
Oh.
That case was both assigned to Judge Archer, but since we had the older case, they moved it to us. So the co-defendant should be with us too.
All right. We'll have that one. We'll have the co-defendant also.
Okay. Did I just wait for a new date on that, or what do you think I should do? Because he has a PCC tomorrow.
Hold on, because I'm gonna give you a date now, and we're gonna come on tomorrow with the co-defendant. I'm gonna give him the same date.
Perfect.
Find the date for August.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, I would like to request a bond report for my client and a date to address the bond issue. And then in addition, I don't know if the court wants to do that now, but we will be requesting in-person exams in both cases.
Both cases. He already has the exam date on his other case, right?
No, the other one's a PCC for January 11th. I thought it was exam.
Oh. All right, we don't have the other case here yet, so we'll set that when we get it. Well, this one, I'm gonna go ahead and set it.
And Your Honor, if I may, I still have not received any information, any discovery in either one of the cases.
Well, they're gonna have to get it to you, but we're doing the in custody, and he's in custody right now. And I'll do a request for a bond report, but the chances of me getting one is about slim to none. We're not, I've been ordering those things for the last year and haven't gotten one. So I don't think they're working. So I'm not gonna end up getting one. So I'm gonna set this matter for exam. It's gonna be next week. And you're gonna have to get her discovery and everything she needs.
Yes, Judge. Ms. Campbell, can I get your email address? And then, Judge, and regarding the exam, are we going to set the co-defendant for the same exam date then?
We're gonna set the co-defendant for the same date, yes.
Okay.
So I'm looking at the January 13th at 10 o'clock.
Works for me, Your Honor. And then, Ms. Tiapo, if I could just get like an email or some kind of contact, and I will send that to you as soon as today.
Yes, it's a Rebecca.Tiapo@yahoo.com.
And how many witnesses do you have?
Just one.
All right. And is that a good day, Ms. Tebow? Because I'm gonna call this case at 10 o'clock.
Absolutely, Your Honor. I'm actually in your courtroom at 9:30 that day for another case.
All right. Well, if the other case is out of custody, we won't be doing it. But I mean, we'll just be adjourning it. We won't be holding it.
Okay, I understand.
All right. All right, so as for the issue on the bond, I mean, you file a written motion, but I doubt if I'll hear it before the 13th.
Okay.
Are you just be prepared to do it then after we do the exam?
Absolutely.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Judge, should I appear tomorrow morning for the PCC on the other defendant?
Yes, please, I have somebody.
Okay, I will see you then.
I'm just gonna set the same date, so.
Got it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Brown, you can let the deputies know that we're done. We need to do a minute to have them brought over.
We're done, Your Honor.
On Brown?
Yes. Yeah, that's gonna, he's in custody.
Oh,
So
that's
we'll do the
okay.
in custody here. We're back in court next week, Mr. Brown, on the 13th at 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
All right, they'll bring you over.
Judge Giles, welcome back. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Well, thank you. Good to see you. Happy New Year to you too.
Thank
You have a good holiday?
What's that?
Did you have a good holiday?
I did, thank you. How was yours?
It was busy.
Busy in a good way?
Well, you know, I'm doing a lot of renovations on the house, so no. I was working a lot.
Well, I'm sure it probably was really nice on, and if you didn't finish, it will look really nice once you're done.
Yeah, I hope it. You know, it's a long way from being finished.
How was your vacation?
You said where?
No, I said how. How was your vacation?
Oh, working.
Oh, the whole time? So I was thinking more so Christmas break, because before break, I didn't see you.
Oh, yeah, no, the whole time I was working.
Oh.
And I was back here on the 27th, 28th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We still have Hathaway and Jones. Do you show that? Or do you show anything?
I showed, oh, we didn't know him. Oh. Yeah, Richard Jones.
Yes.
That's Mr. Tuttle's. We'll try to get him. That's the only one we got.
Don't have Hathaway?
Don't have what?
LeVar Hathaway?
Oh, yeah, we got Hardaway too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, those are the last two that I have.
Yep. Last one.
Your Honor, this is Corporal Murphy at Division 1. How are you?
Hi, how you doing?
Good. I was wondering, do you have anything about any tether violators on your docket today?
Do I have any what?
Tether violators on your docket today?
No.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Just double checking. So I believe all we had was Nightingale and Brown, which are done.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a wonderful and safe day.
Thank you. You too now.
Thank you.
Noise is so irritating.
I'm gonna try to call Mr. Tuttles and Mr. Callahan.
Yeah, I'm doing Mr. Tuttle now.
Stretching the legs for a minute, Ken, you right out here.
Okay, Judge. What's going on, Lucky?
Oh, nothing much.
Y'all back now, huh?
We are back. Hopefully we stay back this time.
Yeah, let's hope the numbers get better.
Yeah. How was your holiday?
Huh?
How was your holiday?
Oh, it was good. I had a good holiday. dragging in here today. Ugh.
Yeah. Tell you the truth, I didn't expect to come back and I get that text. I'm like, uh-oh, okay.
Oh, really? All right.
Where's also shoot, folks? Man.
Yeah. Sad, ain't it?
Yeah.
It was just like one right after the other one.
Had an uncle that passed away a couple of days ago. My wife's uncle, but uncle.
Oh.
COVID, Florida.
It's crazy, ain't it?
It's funny, I think he kind of knew.
Think he knew what? He was gonna die?
Yeah, he was at home and he wasn't that bad. I mean, he was bad, but he wasn't that bad. And he said he kept saying he's ready to go home. And then, his wife was like, "What you saying? We're already home or whatever." And he said, "No, I'm going home." So.
Oh, wow. I guess I can start getting some more snacks because I ain't got nothing.
Let me put my.
Even when I was coming here by myself, I was like, I'm not getting nothing until I know.
For sure.
Good morning, Madam Clerk.
Good morning, Henry. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Happy New Year.
Good.
He's still on some snacks.
Oh, yeah. You got something in here, Henry?
Not on the docket. Is Judge Giles in today?
Yes, he is.
Okay. I wanted to ask about trying to reschedule live examinations as video examinations.
Do you have one coming up, or are you talking about all of yours?
I've got two clients who originally set live examinations who would like in-person examinations.
You mean that you would like Zoom examinations instead of live?
Yes, that's what I mean.
Okay. Do you have the case number?
Yes.
All right, let me see what date it's scheduled for.
Okay.
What's the case number?
It's 2006 174301. That's yep, and he's scheduled for February 10th.
All right, what was the other one? You said it was two?
Yep, and the other is Marche Holloway, and I have her case number also.
What is it?
That one is 2005 639301. And she's scheduled for March 9th.
What's her name?
Marche Holloway.
What is it? Just a CCW term?
Yes.
Is the first one in? You said he's out of custody or in custody?
First one is in custody.
Oh, that's got to be in person. Well, I don't know. Hey. And Holloway is out, right?
Correct.
Okay, Chris is in. All right, who was my other attorney? I'm missing. Callahan? Huh? I text him, I'm waiting on a reply. Or maybe he'll just log on. Judge Henry has two cases. They're not scheduled for today, but they're scheduled for exams. They're scheduled for in-person. He wants to schedule them for Zoom exams. One is in jail and one is out on bond.
Well, the in jail will be going.
In person?
Yeah.
Did you hear that, Henry?
That'll be going February the 10th.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any possibility that a Zoom examination could happen sooner?
Nope.
No? Okay.
The other one
It's out and it's scheduled for March 9th.
I'm not saying anything. Because I don't know what's gonna happen. We might open the court next week, next month.
Yeah. So no, he's not changing the dates.
Okay. Understood. Figured I'd ask. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Good morning, Evan Kelvin. How are you? This is Kitty, Judge Giles Clark. You have a probable cause conference today.
And then we fixed it, but then it can't start back going the same thing.
It's a
So
bar.
I decided to try to finish this up tomorrow. Tomorrow.
It has you as the appointed granted attorney as of December 2nd. There's no other attorney in the system for this. And there's no exam scheduled on this one. It's just the PCC today. It doesn't have an exam date in here. I'm looking at the ROA now. No, this is a CCW. I wonder, did they put the wrong case number on your appointment? Yes, 439. Thank you. All right, okay. He's logging on for Hardaway. He has some confusion going on. He said he didn't think it was his case. Mr. Tuttles, I'm waiting on him to reply. He hasn't replied. Try calling him. Text him. Good morning, Mr. Tuttles. How are you? Good. This is Kitty, just Giles Clerk. Yes, I text you. Oh, you were in the wrong courtroom? Oh, okay. All right, thank you. All right. All right. All right. Okay. He was in Judge King's courtroom. He's coming out now. Oh, there's Evan. Is Miss Franklin still on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I am. I'm here.
You ready, Evan?
Yes.
Calling case number 20-62106, the people of the state of Michigan versus LeVar Hardaway. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin.
Good morning, Your Honor. Evan Callahan, P30564, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right. Court waiving the purpose of this hearing. Demanding preliminary exam.
Please.
All right, August 3rd at 9:30.
What date?
August 3rd.
Okay. At 9:30, right?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you have discovery?
No, I do not.
I'll send discovery.
You need my email?
I'll take it. Yes, please.
It's Evan, EVAN, B 927 at AOL.com.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, everybody.
All right, you too.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Judge, on Nightingale, that's he needs a admit to be brought over too, right? Because he was in jail.
Yeah. Well, Harris wanted to do it by Zoom. His client will be here.
Oh, oh, is Mr. Tuttles on?
Yep.
You ready, Mr. Tuttles?
Yes.
Calling case number 20-59241, the people of the state of Michigan versus Randall Nightingale. Oh, strike that, wrong case. Calling case number 20-59175, the people of the state of Michigan versus Antonio Jones Richardson. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Shanetta Franklin, appearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this Honorable Court, Antonio D. Tuttles, on behalf of my client, Mr. Antonio Jones Richardson.
All right, Mr. Tells, have you been in contact with Mr. Jones Richardson?
I spoke to Mr. Richardson this morning, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. We're just gonna reschedule this exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. To August 3rd at 10 o'clock?
August 3rd, okay. That's scheduled for in person, Your Honor?
Yep, that's in person.
And if I may, I want to correct the case number, Madam Clerk. That's 2059175.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, because we were searching for this case all morning. All right, thank you. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, you too.
You too.
Take care.
Okay, thank you. Likewise. And Madam Clerk, I apologize. So, Madam Prosecutor, I do not have discovery on this case.
I have discovery. Okay, I'll send. It looks like discovery was shared with you on November 6th.
We just checked before we went on the record.
Okay, I'll send it again.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Judge Giles, before I disconnect, I wanted to make sure that we were on the same page for night jail. That was the matter that you asked. How long would it take for me to process a writ? And I said, Zoom here, we don't do that. The clerk does.
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
All right, perfect.
Okay.
All right, thank you. You guys have a great day.
You too. Take care now.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
That's our Nightingale too.
Yeah, she was talking about that girl.
Oh, cause I know the other one,
Well, Nightingale, we just do a bit, bring them over.
Oh, that's right, okay. All right, that's good.